Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome. My name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. I really appreciate every one of you who have clicked on a video. This week on October 21st, I will be celebrating 5 years on YouTube. I posted my first video on October 21st, 2016, which is crazy to think about because that was such a long time ago and like so much has happened in those 5 years and so much hasn't happened at the same time. Anyway, I will have it linked up above if you want to go visit it and see like my old office and no lights and all of that. So thank you very much for being here and for kind of encouraging me to keep going over these 5 years. Before I get to the sample, I just have to show you my makeup bag. This is part of the Lily Pulitzer that they did at Target. As you can see, I haven't taken the tags off of it, but it was just sitting on my dresser to hold these samples to keep them separate. So yeah, this one was $10 a couple years ago, and I love Lily Pulitzer, so I just had to show it off. Let's start off with a perfume. I worked on Terra de Gioia by Giorgio Armani. This is the newest in the de Gioia line. I actually really like this. It's kind of reminiscent of some other things to me. It's like a nice, light, sweet, kind of a little warm, but has like just some nice fruits to it. It's definitely something that I think that I would wear, and I'm kind of interested in getting a bottle. I mean, obviously, like a little, like you need quite a bit. I feel like I have 3 samples of this, and I could probably get 4 uses out of between the 4 of them, or between the 3 of them, because I used up almost a full container on just for one spray. It is very light, it's very fresh, it's sweet. It's definitely a fruity, but like not in your face fruity. It's kind of like a warm type of fruity. I really like it. I think it's good. It's definitely one that I want to get my hands on. Then we have from Glow Recipe, this is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I like this, but I don't know if I love this. I kind of like it, but I also feel like it is a little, like it gets in my eyes a little bit, which I don't enjoy. And I don't know, like if I found it for a good deal, I probably would get it just because I like the scent. I like Glow Recipe. It's kind of fun and just nice, so I probably would purchase it if it went on sale, but it's not one that I would seek out if I ran out of cleansers, or like if I desperately needed a cleanser. It's not one that I would be like, oh, let's get that. That's my first choice. I tried a couple different masks this week because I wanted to kind of make up for a couple other weeks that I didn't have any masks, and I was trying to do like a new mask a week. So this is actually the second one I tried, but this is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask, which is supposed to restore the appearance of dull skin impacted by environmental factors. I actually really liked this. It was a nice, it has kind of just like a nice light scent to it. I'm trying to remember if I have more of these, because if I have more of these, I probably will pull them out of my like pass along pile and use them, because I did like this one. I think it was another good one. I feel like for so many weeks I've had, nah, it's fine, and then I'm like, hey, there's some stuff that I really like this week, and then there's one that I didn't really love. But I'm finding I don't really love mud masks as much as I used to. I feel like my skin doesn't need them as much, and a lot of the times they sting. Not like the entire time, but until they dry down. So, 30 seconds to a minute, it's very uncomfortable and it stings, and I just don't enjoy that. That was what happened with this. This is the Mudmasky Facial Detox Purifying Recovery Mask. It's supposed to be pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, and smoothing. Although I find that sometimes hydrating masks, I have an issue with those too, and they kind of sting, and I don't know what it is. So this was fine. I mean, it's just kind of your typical mud type mask. Let's see if I can get a little, just a regular mud mask. I want to say it felt like a little grainy, but I don't remember like exactly that it felt grainy. But it's not one that I would repurchase. It is one, I mean, I'm going to use it up and get it out, but I don't love it. And finally, this week, I just finished my one eye primer, which took forever to get through. And I'm on another eye primer. This is one that I've had for far too long. Like, I don't even remember when I got it, but I know I got like a set of 2 of these Black Friday, maybe 4 years ago. I don't even know. Like, I've never opened it, never used it, and it's still good, so I'm using it. This is the Shadow Insurance from Too Faced, but in the shade Champagne. So it says it's a nude shimmer. It definitely does have shimmer on it. So I just want to kind of show you so you can see the shimmer, and it does have some color to it as well. So it is one that you want to kind of keep in mind for that. So overall this week, I feel like I got some good items. I'm really excited about some of them. I didn't use anything up, which is fine, but I'm really looking forward to working with most of those again and just keep using them and exploring them. And then they'll show up in empties eventually. Anyway, let me know how you are doing. How has the last 5 years treated you? Let me know. Let me know if you like remember when you started watching my videos. Let me know that down below. I would love to know. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.